UNDP HDI index under poverty and development. See, India is ranked 129th among the 189 countries on 2019 Human Development Index according to the UNDP report titled Beyond Income, Beyond Averages, Beyond Today. Inequalities in Human Development in the 21st Century is a report titled Human Development Index is released by United Nations Development Programme UNDP, and the report titled Beyond Income, Beyond Averages, Beyond Today, Inequalities in Human Development in the 21st Century. Norway, Switzerland, Ireland occupied the top 3 positions in that order. That is, Scandinavian countries Norway, Switzerland, Ireland occupied the top 3 positions in that order. Germany is placed 4th along with the Hong Kong, and Australia secured the 5th rank on the global rankings. What is Human Development Index? Human development approaches focuses on developing those capabilities of human in order to do or achieve the goals that they value. The capabilities are classified into 2: basic capabilities and enhanced capabilities linked to extreme deprivations. Example, life expectancy at birth, primary education. Inequalities in terms of basic capabilities is decreasing. Enhanced capabilities are those capabilities that reflect aspects of life that are important in future. Because of that, they will be more empowering. Example, quality health at all levels, high quality education at all levels, access to present day technologies, resilience to unknown new shocks. So this is the enhanced capabilities and the basic capabilities. Key highlights. As the title of the report indicates, this year's report highlights the prevalence of inequalities in the human development. While the income inequality continues, inequalities in human development are more profound and have a larger impact across the generations. The key takeaways of the report include: while the world has progressed in reducing the extreme deprivations, disparities are still widespread between the countries within the countries. Inequality in human development is taking a new dimension that will have long-term intergenerational impact. Inequalities are more social than economic. As a result, they accumulate throughout life across generations due to the deeply embedded power imbalance. In order to fight inequalities, evidence-based policy making is need of the hour, which requires better measurement of inequalities. The new dimensions should include inequalities in terms of technology, risk due to the climate change, and education. Thus, report highlights the need for assessing inequalities under a new framework beyond income to include other aspects that lead to the human development, beyond today to include the factors that will lead to inequalities in 22nd century, that is in future, beyond the average to include all dimensions of enhanced capabilities. India's performance. India has improved its ranking from 130th last year to 129th this year. In comparison, Sri Lanka 71, China 85, Bhutan 134, Bangladesh 135, Myanmar 145, Nepal 147, Pakistan 152, and Afghanistan 170. Between 1990 to 2018, India's HDI value increased by 50% from 0.431 to 0.647. So the HDI value has been increased, which places it above the average for the South Asian countries, 0.642. In the same period, India has improved in life expectancy at birth by 11.6 years. The average number of schooling years increased by 3.5 years. However, when adjusted to inequality, India's score dropped from 0.647 to 0.477. Besides, India is home to 364 million poor people, 28% of the population out of the total 1.3 billion poor in the world. That is 28%. Region-wise performance, if you see, South Asia was the fastest growing region in the human development progress, witnessing a 46% growth over 1990 to 2018, followed by East Asia and the Pacific, 43%.